Okay, pull the pole all the way. At the empty space here, go from here all the way here to go down South Stephen Way where they used to sit. You can see it there. Then I'll just make it fast so you can see the angle. That's the other angle. It's the byway, Stephen House. Okay, at the byway. I'm walking on the bike. A Stephen House bike here, where the bathroom was. And walking on the bike. Walking on the bike, right to the pole. Okay. Right to the pole. This is where. And we need lock for this way for protection. That anybody can come and open and do something. I will start asking questions. Let it be lock. At the angle here. And the other angle going straight behind the big poultry. Like I said, like here me. Then all have been barricaded only the front. Except maybe now the thing that are in the front, you live for the wire way down way, you park on but before you park on, maybe you can have them with your bike small. So this is it. Thank you. From the way down all the way up. Thank you.